Hello bakers, welcome to my egg white royal icing recipe and counting guide. I'm Sophia the Hobbit. Let's get started. You will need a carton of egg whites, make sure it says pasteurized. Shake it up, pour out 150 milliliters or 5 ounces. 1 teaspoon of vanilla or lemon extract, add it to your egg whites. Keep some water ready for thinning. With the bowl on top of the scale, tare it to 0. Measure out 750 grams of powdered sugar, which is about 6 cups. Use a paddle attachment. Mix on low, the goal is not to whip in air. Add egg whites and vanilla in slowly. I've sped this video up, but I promise I'm mixing this on low. As it mixes, you can see the icing form. If the mixer looks like it's about to jump off the counter, add some water. Scrape the sides, silicone spatulas work wonders. Get everything in there. See these lines as it turns? That's your first sign of consistency success. Mix it for about 1 minute. Unless you want more of a puffy style, you can mix it longer. Let's test some consistency. Look for the dredge that kind of drips, floats on top of the icing like this. Add a teaspoon of water if it's too thick, and add a tablespoon of powdered sugar if it's too thin. Always cover your bowl with a damp paper towel. Gather 1 to 2 scoops of icing. Not too much, the piping bags only hold so much. Add food coloring 1 drop at a time. I use Americolor, and that stuff is super concentrated. I'm adding brown to tone down this very bright orange. Okay, we're done messing with the icing. Now it is time to count and get the perfect consistency. Count how long the drizzle takes to disappear. 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Oh my goodness, it's almost gone. That's way too thin. Time to add a little bit of powdered sugar to slow that drizzle down. Okay, let's try counting again. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000. Oh wow, it's hardly moving. This is way too thick. Add a few drops of water to thin it out. Alright. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000. That's perfect, the line is gone. Time to bag this icing and decorate some cookies. Open up your bag. Put the bag in a tall cup or glass. Dump in that icing every single drop. Twist the bag and clip or rubber band it closed. Alright, it's time to decorate some cookies! Alright, first we start with an outline in medium frosting. Start with a small hole, then cut the tips. Then cut off more as needed. The basic pattern on cookies is outline, flood, outline, flood. Most of my frostings are typically 15-second consistency. Sometimes my white and my black icing are 20 just for writing. This is one of my favorite ways to decorate, wet on wet, where the frosting is wet, but you keep adding the colors until it gives this nice flat effect. I also love doing this where you put lines and you run your stylus through to give it a neat pattern thingy. I find cookie decorating so relaxing. Watching that frosting hit that cookie, magic. Dry the cookies in open air. Sometimes I use a fan. The colors like to bleed if they take too long to dry. Well, that's it for this video. We made some icing, colored it, measured out the consistency, and decorated some cookies. As I learn more, I'll hopefully share it as I go. Feel free to comment and let me know what works for you. Don't forget to check out my cookie dough recipe video. Thanks for watching.